Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home with Lisa. Kick back and catch a.
Hey lovebugs, welcome back to the channel. Today you guys, I'm going to be making a floral arrangement and I'm going to be using live flowers. This was a requested video, so it's been a while since she requested, but I'm sorry it took a while, but I'm here now. If this is your first time here, welcome, welcome, welcome. We so appreciate you for joining in on the channel today. And if you're returning, welcome back. We can't do this without you guys. So without further ado, I have my vase right here. Isn't that gorgeous? This was actually a wedding gift that was given to TK and I. So I have my vase that I'm going to be using. I also have some Clorox bleach. I'm also going to be using some sugar, and I have my picture of water, and most importantly we have some baby's breast that we're going to use, and then we also have some Florals by Design. They are so beautiful, you guys. Look at that. Look at that. They are absolutely gorgeous. So we're going to take them out of the wrappers and we're going to start. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pour my water in here. Okay, that's my water. Then I'm just going to pour a tad bit of bleach in here. This is my bleach, my Clorox bleach. It doesn't take a lot. And then a little bit of sugar, just enough to make it cloudy up in there, you guys. I'm gonna put a little bit more. Okay. Then I'm gonna shake it a little to get it stirred up in there. Okay. Now I'm going to take my florals, move all of this out of the way. I'm going to unwrap them. They have them wrapped pretty good. I'm just going to take my scissors and I am learning how to take better care of my floral arrangements. So we're going to see how we do with these. So this is what they look like. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the leaves off. So by taking the leaves off, that means your solution here is not competing to keep it hydrated. And I'm taking off a few of the leaves here. And then I'm going to turn the rose upside down and I'm going to do it like this. Can y'all see? Just to make it fluff out a little bit. Okay. And then I'm going to cut my stem diagonal. And I'm going to go ahead and put it in the water. Okay. And that's what I'm going to do to all of these. I'm going to take these leaves off. Some people take them off, some people don't. It is your preference. This is just one way I'm learning how to take care of the live florals. And also, too, I was told another important thing, you guys, is to make sure at least after maybe like a week or whatever to pour that water out and make your solution again. Take your flowers out and redo it so they can last longer. So we're going to see. I'm trying to be obedient here. I'm going to leave some of the green leaves on. And then here's another rose. I'm going to take some of these off the side just to give it that fresh look. I'm going to cut it diagonal, then I'm going to turn it down, and I'm just doing this just for see if it'll spread out a little bit. It did a little bit, a little bit. I am enjoying this, you guys. I hope everyone is having an awesome day today. Uh-oh. We're going to cut. At least we're going to try to cut. Got it? I'm going to put it in there. And we're going to do the same thing for the remainder. We're going to take off some of these leaves because we want our florals to last as long as they possibly can. And then I'm going to cut and add to the arrangement. Woo! Y'all saw those fly off, right? Those are good and ready. Let's put it over here. And then we have these. Only thing I have to do to this one is to cut the stem. And when you like a week later, when you redo them, refreshing up your solution, make sure you cut the ends again as well too. That's very important. Now, the way I'm telling you and the way I'm doing this is not necessarily the way that you have to do it, but I've just been doing some research and been watching others, so I'm trying to mimic what they did, and we're going to see if it works. Okay, this one has too many thorns on it, so I'm not going to try to twist it because I don't want to hurt my finger or my hand. It has a lot of thorns on it. Okay. We're getting there, you guys. I hope you all are enjoying this type of content here that I am sending your way. I'm just trying to put them by one that doesn't look like it does. Okay. Now this one I don't think has a lot of thorns on it. So we're going to cut the end of this one. And they may come flying off too. Yep, a little bit. See how pretty that looks? Look at that. Oh, that looks so beautiful. Okay, and then we have one more, and then we're going to try to stick some of the baby breath in there as well too. Oh, they look so pretty, you guys. Let's try to get some of these leaves up here. Okay, and these are the beautiful baby breasts here. The baby breasts that we have, so pretty. Take a look as I try to open this. Uh-oh, I done cut into the plant food. I'm gonna go ahead and add that in here. The other one didn't have it. Yeah, if you have plant food that comes in there, go ahead and utilize it in your mixture. It's not going to hurt anything. Okay, so these are the baby's breasts. And I'm going to trim, if I can get them apart, I'm going to trim the end of them too. I love baby's breasts. I'm going to actually cut it. Y'all can see what I'm doing right there. So let's kind of stick it in here. I like the long stem here. Okay. I love it, I love it, I love it, you guys. I love it, I love it, I love it. It looks like that one's kind of torn a little bit. Let's see if we can do this. Put a little bit there. Stick it there. And then this is the last baby's breath, you guys. They are a little flimsy. When I do my next one, I'm going to pick them up from a different, the floors up from a different location. Okay, y'all, this is my first time doing a live floral arrangement. This one right here, this is the one that I need to maneuver inside of here. Okay. Yeah. And you can maneuver them and put them however you'd like to. That is totally up to you. So that is my floral arrangement, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I enjoyed creating this for you. So what I'm doing now is I'm just going through, and those that have 3, 4, 5 limbs, I'm just kind of trying to stretch them out a little bit without breaking them, just to make it fuller. Yeah. All right, y'all, there you have it. Let me give y'all a little closer look. Let me show y'all the reveal, okay? All right, you guys, this is my floral arrangement, my spring floral arrangement. It is looking so beautiful. beautiful. And I hope to come back after a week or so to let you guys know how they did, what happened. Did they last long with my little remedy, or did they just die? But it looks beautiful. I love the roses. I love the colors in here. And I just hope you guys enjoyed this. I enjoyed putting it together. Now that's going to be another hobby of mine, you guys. And the florals, they're not that expensive. I think these were like $11 for the bouquet of these. I think it was like $11. So yeah. But I have seen better flowers at other places. So like I said, I will be going somewhere else to get the next bunch whenever I get ready to do another one. But anyway, there it is. There you have it. And again, I want to thank you all for tuning in. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, please, and leave me some comments down below. And we're going to see y'all in the next video. Bye bye, love bugs. See y'all in the next.
Today is day 5, and this is what the floral arrangement is looking like. So they are still alive, you guys. They are still looking good. So this Clorox water and sugar method really works. Like I said, this is day 5. So I just wanted to let you guys know that this method that I used really did work.
Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home with Lisa. Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home.